Guys, I'm trying to get items for my cake, and the line is in the aisles, and then Big Ed Doing is accompanying me. Yeah, I'm stressed out. Practice so I can be able to. This deep enough.
Across the bridge.
All they have is these expensive things.
Lava girl. Oh, that's good.
I wonder if me if the regular baking soda can use.
Of course, my baking soda. Arm & Hammer. The best baking soda in the world. Arm & Hammer. I want to kill a nothing.
We're in the kitchen now. So I have done carrot cake and banana bread before, and they came out so yummy. So I was thinking, let me go ahead and put the two together. That sounds very interesting, and I like experimenting in the kitchen, yeah? So I say, yeah girl, you're a chef and thing, I think of new ideas, of new flavors. Yeah girl, pastry chef. But sadly, it has been done before. When I was looking like for the recipes for the individual parts, I buck up on a banana carrot bread recipe. I'm like, damn. After me, I think I'm a big chef. I think new ideas and I can sell my recipe and beer things, but it has already been done. But oh well. So we're gonna bake banana carrot bread. Alright, let's. Okay, so today's ingredients: vegetable oil, raisins, eggs, equipments, sugar, flour, nutmeg. I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut milk in there, carrot, banana, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, salt, grater. So I have no cinnamon powder. I wish I did, so I could put it in there. But oh, you see them carrots? You saw them look maga and ugly? This is why I don't send a man to do markets, yeah? But they just have to work. But thank you, best friend. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the preparation of the carrot and the banana. You see them out of fruit flies. Oh my gosh, like these were not here until I brought the bananas and carrots out. Anyways, I'm going to start with the banana. This is the only banana I know to peel. Can't peel green banana. You see, this is how the banana must be nice and brown. It is more sweeter this way. The recipe says to use 3, but because I have a whole heap, I use all of them. So I finished peeling my bananas. I'm going to go ahead now and crush them. To use the top of these for my garden. I'm gonna put them in some water and watch them grow. Oh guys, the recipe says to use 1 cup of shredded carrot, but Jamaicans, how we do things, yeah? We just do it put things until our ancestors tell us to stop. So I'm about to finish shredding, peeling and then shred and then get back to you guys. So guys, I finished shredding, well, peeling the carrots. I'm going to shred them now and then see if I have enough. If I don't have enough, then I'll peel some more. I also have a lot, so I'm going to make some carrot punch as well. So I'm trying to figure out which side to use. If I should use a smaller part or should I use the bigger part. I'm just looking at it to see which is better, because I want to taste the carrot in the cake. So probably I go with the big part. Yeah? Alright. Oh, big part. Okay, so I finished shredding the carrots. Halfway through I changed my mind and decided to use a smaller part. So here's my shredded carrots. This should be enough. Yeah, I'm not going to peel or shred anymore. This is supposed to be about a cup and a half or so. Okay, so we're back. I'm going to add the flour. Oh, I don't have them pretty glass bowls here. This is what I have. This is my old faithful baking bowl. So flour, salt, the cinnamon, the sugar, and the baking powder and baking soda. I'm going to do all the dry ingredients first, and then I'm going to whisk the egg and bananas together. Okay, I'm going to mix the wet ingredients. So the sugar, I didn't bother put the sugar in the flour mixture. So sugar, egg, vanilla, the oil, and the bananas, and followed by the carrots. Bye bye. I wish that this was not so, my glass was not so dirty, but guys, my bread is raising. It smells so good. Wish you guys could smell this. Ignore the dirty glass. Look how beautiful that is. Alright, so it has been in the oven for 45 minutes. I'm just going to check it. I don't have any toothpicks, so I'm using a fork. Okay, so it needs to be, I'm going to put it back in for another 10 minutes or so. Look at that, it is so pretty. Alright, so here's the bigger one. Yep, this definitely needs to be stayed in a little longer. Alright, back in the oven you go. Look at it. Oh my goodness, so pretty. You guys see that? Look at it. Look. Alright, so guys, this is the finished product. Look how beautiful. It is so golden. I wish I had some almonds to put in it as well, but ooh. Let me zoom in on all that nice. Ooh, yummy. I can't wait till it cools so I can slice it and show you guys what the inside look like. Yeah, may I make it cool and then I come back and slice up goodie. Yeah, guys, look, don't mind the flour. Look at this and look at that, moist, soft. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Nice. I also cooked dinner because yeah, let me show you guys what I made. Then I fry some green plantains. Green plantains. Look at this. It smells so good. And look at all the colors. Listen, I love my food with a lot of colors, and this is just perfect. Look at that, y'all. If you want a caterer, link me up. Link me up. I'm very affordable. All right, that's it for today, guys.